Just see. Understand. So what do we have in here? We have a two. So today we're going to do the age problems. Okay. Today we're going to do the age problems for quadratic equation. You
Yeah.
understand? For
Yeah.
quadratic equations.
Correct. Yeah.
Now, how does it exactly work? Now just see. Just read the question. It says the sum of the ages of a son and his father is 35 years. And the
Yeah.
product of their ages is 150. Find their present ages. So there is a father, okay, and his son. So can I say let father's age be X years old, present age? Let
Hmm.
father's present age be X years old and the son's present age be Y years old. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So what do I say? That X plus Y shall be 35. According to the question, it says what? According to the question, it says the sum of the ages of son and father is 35 years. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So that means X plus Y is going to be 35. That's my first equation. Are you understanding?
Hmm.
Then it says the product of their ages is 150. The product of their ages is 150. So X times Y is 150 others, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do I have in here? What are we supposed to do now? You tell me. To make a quadratic equation, do you see that we have made two equations here?
Yeah.
And when we have made two equations here, do you realize that I can take out the value of y as 35 minus x, right? And substitute that
Yeah.
value of right here. So that is going to become x times y. So 35 minus x. And that is going to be 150. Do you understand what I'm doing?
Yeah.
So it is going to be x into 35 minus x equals to 150. Are you
Okay.
understanding?
Yes.
That is the concept. So could you just multiply x times 35? So that is going to become 35x minus x times x shall become x square and that
Hmm.
shall become 150. Yes or no?
Hmm.
So what do you think we have it right here? We have 35x minus x square minus 150 equals to 0.
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So let's take out minus 1 common so that I make x square positive. So minus 1 if I take out common it becomes x square minus 35x plus 150 equals to 0. Yes or no? So
Yes.
if I do that, what exactly does it happen? Just tell me. Now you have the equation. So you compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So you have a as 1 and b as minus 35 and c as 150. Yes or no? So when a is 1, b is minus 35 and c is 150, what
Hmm.
exactly does that mean? You tell me. Tell me. When a is 1 and b is minus 35 and c is 150, what exactly does that mean? Tell me. It means that it means that I'm going to put in the values. I'm going to find out alpha beta. And alpha beta is going to be what? Alpha square. It is going to be what? Minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Right, others?
Yeah.
So minus of minus 35 plus minus under root of 35 square minus 35 whole square minus 4ac over 2a. So I'm going to get 35 plus minus under root of 1225 minus 600 over 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you understanding my point?
Hmm.
Tell me. Right?
Yeah.
And now when I solve it, I get 35 plus minus. What is root 1225 minus 600? So you get 625, isn't it? You
Hmm.
get 625, isn't it?
Yeah.
So when you get 625, what exactly does that mean? Over 2. So 35 plus minus root 25, because 625 is actually the square of 25. So alpha comma beta, that means the two values of x shall be what? 35 plus 25 by 2 or 35 minus 25 by 2, isn't it?
Hmm.
And thereby that is going to become what? It is going to become 50 and 60. 60 over 2, that is going to become 30. And 35 minus 25, that is 10 over 2, that means 5. So that means the father is 30 years old and the son is 5 years old. Are you understanding my point? Did you understand the question?
Hmm.
Now just have a look at the next question. What does it say? Just read the question. It says the ages of father is equal to the square of the age of his son. So let son's age be. Let son's age be x and father's age be y. Yes or no? Let son's age be x and father's age be y, isn't it? So it says the age of the father is equal to the square of the age of his son. So present age, okay? So presently, today, the father is, let's suppose, x years old, y years old, and the son is, let's suppose, x years old. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
What does it say then? The sum of the age of the father and 5 times the age of the son is 66 years old. The sum of the age of the father, so the father's age is y, and 5 times the age of his son, 5 times x is 66. That's the second statement.
Yeah.
And what does the first statement say? The age of the father. What is the father's age? Y. What is the father's age? Y. Do you understand? So y equals to the age of the father is equal to the square of the age of his son. So y is equals to x square. Yes or no? The father's age, present age, is square of the son of the age of the son. So if the present age of father is y and the present age of the son is x, so father's age y is square of x. That's what my first statement is telling me. The age of the father is equal to the square of the age of his son. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
Right? So just put
Hmm.
in the value of y right here. What is the value of right here? Right here? You put in the value. So it is going to become x square plus 5x is going to be 66. Do you understand? And then you bring down 66 here, and the quadratic equation that you get is x square plus 5x minus 66 is going to be 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
And now this is going to be my quadratic equation. Understood or not? So my quadratic equation here is x square plus 5x minus 66 is 0. And because what I've done from the first equation, I've substituted the value of y into the second equation. So it would be y. So do you understand? So if I compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, what do you think I get it? Tell me. I am going to get a equals to 1, b equals to 5, and c equals to minus 66. I hope you're understanding.
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Then what is happening? Then what is happening? So you put minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So minus 5 plus minus under root of 5 square, 25, minus 4ac over 2 times a. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Tell me. Any doubts
Hmm.
in this? Just tell me.
No.
And now when you solve it, what do you think? What you will get? Tell me. You will, sorry. What do you think you will get? So you'll get minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac over
Yeah.
2 times 1. So you will have minus 5 plus minus under root of 25 plus 6 times 4, 24, 2, 24 and 26 over 2. So you will have minus 5 plus minus under root of 9, 8, 289 over 2. So minus 5 plus minus root 17 over 2. So that shall become what? Minus 5 plus 17 over 2. And minus 5 minus 17 over 2. So minus 22 over 2 shall become minus 11. And 12 over 2 shall become 6, isn't it? And when this is happening, I hope you're understanding that, that means the x value is 6. And who was x? X was the son's age. So if son's age was 6, the father's age was 6 square. That was 36. And that's the answer. Are you understanding my point? Like the original fraction in the question number 6, how do I read it? It says the numerator of a fraction is 1 more than its denominator. So the original fraction will be like what? Tell me. The original fraction will be what? If my denominator is x, right? So the numerator shall be x plus 1, isn't it? If my denominator is x, the numerator shall be x plus 1. Yes or no? Because the question
Yeah.
itself says that the numerator of a fraction is 1 more than its denominator. Understood or not? So it says
Yes.
if its reciprocal is subtracted from it, it means what? It means what? If its reciprocal is subtracted from it, it means what? The original fraction. So what is the reciprocal of the fraction? What is the reciprocal of the fraction? Tell me.
Your
X upon x plus 1? Yeah. So it says if you subtract the original fraction, if you subtract from the original fraction minus the reciprocal fraction, you
Yes.
get 30 over 11, 11 over 30. So can I frame the equation as original fraction is x plus 1 over x minus x over x plus 1, and that shall be 11 over 30. Are you understanding the point?
Yeah.
So what exactly do you think we have right here? Can we just crisscross it? Can we just do x times x plus 1? Yes or no? Because to make the denominator same, we have to take the LCM. So here we will have to multiply with x plus 1 times x plus 1, isn't it? And here we will have to multiply with x and x. So it is going to become x plus 1 times x plus 1. So that shall become x plus 1 whole square minus x square. And that shall be 11 over 30. Yes or no? Any doubts in this? Any doubts in this? Just tell me. So what do you think it is going to become? It is going to become x squared plus 1 plus 2x, isn't it? It is going to become x squared plus 1 plus 2x. Because if I open the identity, for me it is going to look like x plus 1 times x plus 1, right, others? That's what square basically means. So it is going to become x square plus x plus 1. Yes or no?
Yeah.
What do I have in right here? Minus x square. And here in the denominator, x times x square. And x times 1 plus x equals to 11 over 30. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So x square cancels x square. So you have 2x plus 1 over x square plus x equals to 11 over 30. Understood or not? So when you
Yes.
crisscross, what you get? 30 times 2x plus 1 equals to 11 times x square plus x. When you crisscross, are you understanding?
Yeah.
and just multiply. So basically, this is kind of solving the equation. So if you have 60x plus 30 equals to 11x square plus 11x, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then what do? We simply take everything on the other side. So we have 11x square plus 11x minus 60x minus 30 equals to 0. So you will have 11x square minus 9 and 49x minus 30 is going to be 0. And now I have this quadratic equation which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Are you understanding? So how do I
Hmm.
compare it? I get a as 11, b as minus 49 and c as minus 30. Yes or no?
Hmm. Yeah.
And now you can simply put it in the formula. So basically the point here is the challenge is what? The challenge here is to do exactly what? That ma'am, making the quadratic equation. That's the challenge. After that, solving is easier, isn't it? Do you understand my point? Tell me. Easy here. If you have these kind of complicated equations, you have to find out the LCM. And the LCM finding in these equations is very simple. What you have to do, simply remember, simply multiply the two denominators together. That's your LCM.
Hmm.
Are you understanding? So
Hmm.
what am I going to do here, others? I'm going to multiply both here, the numerators with x minus x plus 1 into x plus 1. And here both of them with x minus 1 into x minus 1. Do you understand? So
Hmm.
it becomes what? It becomes x plus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. And here let it be 5 over 6. Did you understand my point? Did you understand this entire calculation, others?
Hmm.
This entire calculation. Did you understand how to take the LCM now?
Hmm. Yeah.
Now, similarly, when you know the LCM calculation, it's very simple. Can't you do x plus 1 whole square? You know that square means the number, the bracket into the same bracket. I hope you're understanding.
Hmm.
So it is x times x, it should be x square. X times 1 shall be 1x. 1 times x, it should be 1x. And 1 times 1, it should be plus 1. So it should become x square plus 2x plus 1. I hope you're understanding.
Hmm.
Any doubts in this?
No.
So, and similarly, if I have x minus 1 whole square, others, that means for me x minus 1 times x minus 1. So x
Hmm.
times x is x square minus x and plus 1. So it becomes x square minus 2x plus 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put in the values. I'm going to say x square plus 1 plus 2x minus x square minus 2x plus 1. And over the denominator, x into x square. Just have a look at the denominator, it becomes x square plus x minus 1. And that is going to be 5 over x. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So this cancels out. And x square plus 1 plus 2x minus x square plus 2x minus 1 over x square minus 1. So do you realize that x square cancels x square, others?
Hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
And what is 1 also cancels 1. So you have what? Because see, understand, when you take this minus sign inside, right? The sign changes. Minus x square plus 2x minus 1. Understood or not?
Hmm.
So at the top it becomes what? At the top it becomes 2x plus 2x, 4x
Yeah.
over x square minus 1. And that is going to be 5 over 6.
Yes.
And now
Yes.
what are you supposed to do? Tell me. What are you supposed to do? Tell me.
Hmm.
Tell me. What are you supposed to do?
The crisscross?
Crisscross. So you will have 4x over x square minus 1 is going to be 5 over 6. Yes or no? And when you
Hmm.
have 5 over 6, what do? You simply do crisscross. So you do 6 times 4x equals to 5 into x square minus 1. So 6
Yeah.
times 4x is 24x. And 5 times x square is going to be 5x square minus 5. So that is going to become 5x square minus 24x minus 5 equals to 0. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So that is what it becomes. So basically, what is it going to become? Just tell me. It is going to become, compare it now, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a shall be 5, b shall be minus 24, and c shall be minus 5, isn't it? So when you
Yeah.
have a as 5, b as minus 24, c as minus 5, what exactly do you think it is going to be? Tell me. So a is going to be 5, b is there, and simply you can solve for x now, the alpha beta values. By which
Yeah.
method? Let me put in the values. So the formula we have is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac over 2a is going to be alpha beta. So put in the values. So we have minus of minus 24 plus minus of minus 24 plus minus under root of b square. The b square is minus 24 whole square, which is going to be 576 minus 4ac over 2a. So that is going to become 24 plus minus under root of 576 plus 5 was a 20 plus 100 over 10. So when you solve this out, what do you think you will get? You will get 24 plus minus under root of 676 over 10.
Yeah.
So 24 plus minus under root of 26 over 10. So 26 plus 24 or 24 minus 26 over 10. So that becomes what? 50 over 10. And this becomes what? Minus 2 over 10. So the two values of x shall be either x is going to be 5 or x is going to be minus 1 over 5. Okay, so two values of x we have got, and this is how we solve our problem. I hope the point is clear. So this is going to be the page 1 of the equation, right? The solving.
Yes.
All right, and this is going to be the page 2 of equation solving, and this is page 3. But I hope you're understanding each and every step clearly.
Yes.
All right, so LCM taking is very important here. Whenever you see these complicated questions, just multiply the denominators to get the LCM. Are you understanding my point? So now, when you have this complicated question, just multiply the denominators.
Yeah.
Okay? So what do you think you'll get? You'll get now. How are you supposed to make the denominator same? Here you multiply it with 5x plus 1 and 5x plus 1. And here you multiply with 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3. So you will have 5x plus 1 whole square plus 2x plus 3 whole square. I hope you're understanding.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Understand.
here it is going to be 5 over 2.
Yeah.
And now just solve. So the denominator here
25x
25x square
plus 1
plus 1.
plus 4x plus 9 over.
No. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Where is 2ab?
Yeah. Yeah.
2ab
So
shall become
yeah.
12x. Here it is going to
12x.
become 10x square
Hmm.
plus 2x
2x plus
plus
15
15x plus 3.
plus 3.
So I would have 25x square plus 4x square. So that shall become 29x square.
Hmm.
Isn't it? 29x square
Plus 22x
plus 10x, 22x, good job, plus 10
plus 10
over 10x square plus 17x plus 3,
x plus 3
right?
is equal to 5 over 2.
Exactly. And that is going to become 5 over 2. And now what are
Hmm.
you supposed to do? You're supposed to do crisscross. So you get
Crisscross.
2 times 29x square plus 22x plus 10. And that shall be equals to 5 times 10x square plus 17x plus 3. So you have what, 40 and 18? So you have 58x square plus 44x plus
Plus
20.
20
Here
is
it is
equal
going to
to
be 50x square
50x square, yeah.
plus
Plus,
85x plus 15.
hmm,
Now bring down everything on the left hand side, every term on the left hand side. So you get
hmm,
58x square
hmm.
minus 50x square
Yeah, yeah.
plus 44x minus 85x plus
Hmm,
20 minus 15 is going to be 0. So you have 8x square. And what do you have in right here? You have what? You have 85 minus 44. So you'll have 41.
yeah,
So you will have minus 41x and you will have plus 5 equals to 0. That's your quadratic equation. And now it
yeah.
is easier to solve this equation. What do you have? You have 8x squared minus 41x plus 5 equals to 0.
Hmm,
Right? Then you compare it with
yeah.
8 squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we have a as 8, b as minus 41, and c as 5. So when we have this particular part, I'm going to put this into the formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, right others? So you will have
Yeah.
minus of minus 41 plus minus under root of 41 whole square minus 4ac over 2 times 8. So you will have plus 41 plus minus under root of 1681 minus 160 over
Hmm,
16.
yeah.
So 41 plus minus. So 1681 minus 160 shall become how much? 1681 minus 160 shall become how much? 1 and 2 and 5 and 1. So it is going to become under root of 1521 over 16. Yes or no?
Hmm, yeah.
Correct? What is 1521 basically? 1521 should be 1521 is basically 39 times 39. Let's do that. So it is going to be 9 times 9, 81, 8, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 28, 29, 30, 31, 30, 30, 34, 35.
Hmm,
And 3 times 9, 27, 2, 9, 10, 11.
yeah.
Do you understand?
Hmm,
So basically this seems to be 39 square. So for
hmm,
me, my answer here shall be 41 plus minus 39 by 16. Simple. And solve this.
hmm,
Once you take plus and once you take minus. Did you understand my point?
hmm,
Okay.
yeah.
So this is how we are supposed to solve the questions. Number, look at question number N. Oh, that we have done already. Now look at this question. Question number P. All right. What is this question all about? It says 2 times, so part page 1, okay? So 2 times x minus 1 over x plus 3 minus 7 times x plus 3 over x minus 1 equals to 5. Alright,
Hmm,
this is the question.
yeah.
Again, it's a complicated question. What do? I am going to multiply 2 inside first. So 2x minus 2 over x plus 3 bracket minus minus 7 times x plus 21 bracket over x minus 1 equals to 5. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Then what do we see? Now this is a complicated equation. We are supposed to take the LCM. So how do we take in the LCM? You tell me. How do we take in the LCM? We will simply multiply the denominators. I will say x plus 3 times x minus 1. And here to make the denominator same, I'm going to multiply 2x minus 2 into x minus 1 minus 7x plus 21 into x
Hmm,
plus 3.
yeah.
And that is going to be 5. Are you understanding?
Hmm,
And now the
yeah.
same method, 2x times x becomes 2x square. 2x times minus 1 shall become minus 2x. Minus, okay, it is still continuing, right? So it is going to become minus 2x plus 2. minus bracket open 7 times x into x, 7x square. 7 times x into 3 becomes 21x
Yeah.
plus 21x. And then plus 63 over x plus 3 into x minus 1, and that is equals to 5, right, others? So this is going to become 2x square minus 4x plus 2. Open the bracket, so plus 21x and minus 21x cancels up. No, it doesn't cancel up. So it becomes what? 42x. So minus 7x square minus 42x minus 63 over the denominator, which is going to be x square minus x plus 3x minus 3 equals to 5. So 2x square minus 7x square shall be what? Minus 5x square. And minus 4x minus 46x. And plus 2, this is going to become minus 61 over x square minus x plus 3x minus 3 equals to 5. So that on solving is going to become minus 5x square minus 46x minus 61 over x square plus 2x minus 3 equals to 5. Right? And then we just
Yeah.
crisscross, because here the denominator is going to be 1. And then when you just crisscross, what do you get? You get 1 times minus 5x square minus 46x minus 61 shall be 5 times x square plus 2x minus 3. So minus 5x square minus 46x minus 61 here is going to be 5x square plus 10x minus 6. Right? And then you bring everything on the other side. You get 5x square plus 5x square. That becomes 10x square plus 10x plus 46x. So that becomes 56x minus 6 plus 61. And that is going to be 0. So it is going to be 10x square. All right. Right? Plus 56x. And that part is going to become uh the 5, so minus 55. And this is my quadratic equation, which you can easily solve by comparing it with what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Do you understand my point? Any doubts in this? Understood? Okay, right? Please copy down the question.